been a while since I posted a video. I guess that's why I'm here back with the video. Today I'm drawing Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park 3. It was requested by you guys. Okay, before we begin, Rock Hansberry sent us this INDORAPTOR drawing. It's pretty good. If you guys want your art to be featured at the end of the video, email me your drawings. Email address is there in the description. Another thing, in this video I'm drawing on my computer rather than on a sheet of paper, but you can draw this on a sheet of paper as well. The process is the same. I'm drawing on a computer because I don't have my lights. That's why I'm drawing on my computer. These are the references that I used. I start with drawing an underlay for the drawing. This is an important step, especially for beginners, okay? So this is the head, the long crocodile-like snout, then the neck, which connects to the torso. Like simple shapes, not very complex things here. That's the shoulder blade, which connects to the arms, like two bones in the arms. Not exactly two bones, two parts. I'm just drawing two bones to simplify it, okay? And then there are the fingers. So yep, three claws, 3 fingers equipped with 3 sharp claws. Even the arms are quite big compared to other theropods. Now the feet. So that's the femur like the thigh bone. Then there are the lower part of the leg. Oh yeah, and the other leg. And then the tail, a long tail. It's like 1:1 ratio. I don't know. Yeah, so the tail. And then the high spine. I think Spinosaurus, the name translates to spine lizard. I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comment section. I think that's what it means. Oh yeah, now the toes. 3 toes, and there's a dew claw. I don't think I'm drawing the dew claw right now in this thing. I'm just drawing the toes at the moment. So yeah, 3 toes. Like these are like long toes, really long toes. And when the feet is on the ground, the toes, they spread out and they cover a lot of area. So like big feet. Bigfoot. Big feet. So that was the underlay. We are done with the construction. Now we'll draw the Spinosaurus on top of this. Starting with the head. So there's this notch on the upper jaw and the lower jaw. Right, there's this small curve, right? That's a notch. Just before the eyebrow ridge, there is this structure. This is like one peculiar thing about the Jurassic Park Spinosaurus. The lower jaw also has that slight notch, not very prominent. Okay, the teeth on the upper jaw. The teeth before the notch, they are like curved inwards, and the teeth after the notch, they are all pointing downwards. And the teeth on the lower jaw. I don't think Spinosaurus actually had these many teeth. The tongue. The teeth on the other side of the jaw. Then side of the mouth. Head, neck, it's looking pretty good. Needs to be a little bit softer here. The arms, again here the arms are big, long, muscular, okay? Really big arms. Now the fingers. See, I'm utilizing that underlay that I drew for the arms and the whole body actually. It helps me understand the anatomy a little bit better. That's why I think you should draw that construction, especially if you were a beginner. The other arm, big arms, pretty big arms. I don't think if you noticed, but there's this way that I draw the arms, draw the fingers. I hide the third finger. That's like a small cheat that I try, so that I don't have to draw that part. You can try it if you want to. The legs. Okay, so the femur area, obviously the thigh area, it's quite big, that's fine, but even the lower part of the leg, it's quite like muscular and big. Again, I'm utilizing that underlay to make my drawing. That actually quite helped me, especially for the hands and feet. Stomach and the hip, which connects to the tail, right? The other leg. I think I need to zoom in a bit. Again, 3 toes. Yeah, quite a long tail. Yeah, now we'll draw the spine. Oh, it looks weird without that spine. That spine. Spinosaurus. I'm not going to detail the eye. This is like a quick drawing, okay? Now I'll start with the detailing and shading. I'm just drawing the scales around the face. And for the shading, I'm not like making it 3D. I'm doing a quick render, okay? What I'm doing is I'm making lines. I'll go over them again in a different direction. This is called hatching. It's a quick technique to shade or to give that feeling of depth in your drawings. It's a quick way to do that. So like if I do some human figures or gesture drawings, this is what I do for the shading. Quick hatching. Spinosaurus is one of my favorite dinosaurs. Comment down below which is your favorite dinosaur and why. I want to know what you guys like. Okay, I wanted to inform you guys that you guys are awesome. Like really awesome. Love you all. I really appreciate when you guys like the videos and your comments and feedback. Thank you for that. I read all the comments. I may not be able to reply to every one of you, but I read every single comment. And yeah, sometimes your comments, they just make my day, and sometimes they make me laugh so hard. So thank you for all of that. And one more thing, I didn't post for a long time, and I don't think I would be posting that frequently in the future as well. The upload schedule there's nothing that I can tell you how when I'll be posting next. So yeah, that's the reality. But yeah, thank you guys for your comments and everything. You guys are awesome. pretty quick. So that's how I do it. So I'm just giving a little weight to my lines. So wherever it's overlapping, wherever it's how do I say it? I don't know, just look how I'm doing and observe, I guess. That's what I can say. Wherever there's a depression or there's some, a shadow area, I'm making the lines darker there. But then the things that are far away from the viewer, that is going to be less detailed. That's a way to put atmospheric perspective into your drawings. It's not very prominent here, but like if you want to show something which is far away, make it less detailed, and if you want to show something which is close to you, make it detailed. And yeah, the things that are closer to you, that will be bigger, and the things that are far from you, those are going to be smaller. That's perspective. That's like the basic perspective. Okay, we are done. So what did we do? We first made that underlay. After that underlay construction, we drew on top of it. Then we erased the constructions. Then we did a quick shading on top of it. So like I guess 3 steps, yeah? No, 4 steps. The erasing is the 3rd, I guess. If you like the video, share it with someone who might find this useful. Subscribe and hit that bell notification if you want to see more content from me. Thanks for watching. It's 3:47 a.m. and bye.